Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Lisa J's World. This is Lisa J, and I like to take the time to thank my new subscribers, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by with me and talking about my Dooney Bourke bag. Yeah, so in honor of appreciating and loving what I have in my closet, I decided to pull out my Dooney Bourke Pebble Grain leather Brenna satchel. I carried her for a couple of days now, and I just wanted to do a video and share. This bag has been talked about on YouTube quite a bit. And so I just want to talk about, carrying Miss Brenna. I love to carry her satchel style. That's what I love about her. She's a satchel, and she's also a crossbody. And even though she has a little weight to her because I've been carrying her, I have all my things in her, and so it makes her a little bit heavier because she's pebble grain leather. So I wanted to share with you guys what my Brenna holds. And this is the black color with the Sierra trim. I got this bag a few years back. So I wanted to start honoring the bags that I have in my closet and start loving what I have, because sometimes, I can start buying and buying and buying, and I don't take time out to appreciate the bags that I already have in my closet. So, let's talk about what Miss Brenna holds. Now, in the tulip pockets, which that's what I call the tulip pockets, I have my cell phone, which is the Samsung Note 5. I carry my keys. I have a few miscellaneous things, the file, nail file, and a few peppermints. Oops. Okay. That's what I carry in the front tulip pocket. In the back tulip pocket, I carry my lip glosses and lipsticks and some miscellaneous items sometimes, but mostly my lipsticks and my lip gloss. And so I know that I've been carrying Miss Brenna for a while. Well, I want to say a few days, because I always carry a lipstick, the lipstick I'm wearing that day. And then the next day I put another lipstick in there, but I never take out the other one because Miss Brenna can hold a few of them. I stopped carrying my cosmetic bag so that I wouldn't carry all of these, but I still wind up doing it anyway, and I do kind of interchange them and clear them out sometimes when it becomes too many. So yeah, that's what I like to carry in my other back pocket in the Brenna. Okay, so let's look inside. And you can see she's quite full. So in the slip pockets, now before I go into that, I want to say that this Miss Brenna, I normally carry a purse organizer in my bags. However, with this bag has so much organization that I don't have to carry my organizer to carry my things. It has so much organization all by itself. So I keep my lotion in the smaller pocket, my contact lens case, and my contact fluid in the bigger slip pocket. That's on the one side. And then the other side, I have my pen holder, my card case, and my pick. They slide right in the bigger slip pocket, all of them. I'm going to put this stuff back so I could just, I don't want to make this video too long. So, okay, in the middle part, I carry my wallet, my sunglass case, my glasses case, because I carry my glasses with me at all times, my 2 journals. One journal, this is a new journal that I started carrying around. It is a life quotes journal for me. So anytime I hear a good saying, a good life saying, because I'm all about self-help, self-growth, and normally when I'm, discussing it with someone, my husband or a group of people, and I want to refer back to what I heard earlier and pertain it to life, sometimes I forget about it. I forget what was actually said, and I like to know exactly what was said, and I like to write it down because sometimes I forget. So I write it in this little journal now, and it's a really nice idea, to write down little things like let's see. This is from an article I read, and the topic was live your life. Live your life and forget your age. Okay? When the day comes that you open your eyes in the morning without a single goal or project coming to your mind, that's the moment when you start to age. So I like to have those little quotes, things like that I, come across in life. And then this other journal is for just miscellaneous things that, just so that I can have paper in my purse. Okay, and today I normally don't carry this, but the thing to carry is my, medication and my vitamins and things like that on a daily basis. I didn't get a chance to do that. I went out to eat. So I want to make sure that I carried that with me. So I have my mints in here. And I have my little coin purse. Well, actually, it's a coin purse, but I carry my earbuds. I carry my measuring tape and my handbag purse holder that you use for when you're in the restaurant. So, yeah, I carry that in there. Okay, let me put my stuff back. Of course, this has a key keeper. And the zipper pocket just has receipts, miscellaneous papers. You know how we collect that going to the grocery store and gas station and the other stores that we're not supposed to go in. But we still do anyway because, we can. All right, so that's my video. And I just wanted to share Miss Brenna because I wanted to start loving on what I have in my closet. And she has feet. So for those of you that are interested, I got this bag from QVC. And it came with a little wallet, which I don't know exactly where she is right now. And just before I end this, let me see. The measurements on Miss Brenna is, okay, she is 13 inches wide. She is 10 inches high. And 5 3/4 deep. She's definitely a medium. And the adjustable strap is 27.5 inches long. This strap can also be adjusted. If I wanted to make her a shoulder bag, I could do that with this bag. But she definitely, there's nothing wrong with carrying her crossbody. She's very comfortable. And so that's my video for today's. You guys, I thank you for stopping by and sharing the time that I wanted to spend with Miss Brenna and share her with everyone. All right, guys, you have a good weekend, And this is Lisa J. If you like my video, you can hit the like button if you like to comment or you like to subscribe. Again, thank you for watching.